Guys, it's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we're going to be taking a good look at Solana. Now, as we all can see, Solana has been doing very, very well. Solana has been doing very, very well. Now, the question right now is, are we going to be able to break out of this resistance right here? Are we going to be able to break out today? Now, that's the question we need to be asking ourselves. And while that question is lingering behind our minds, we should now start technically analyzing the charts. Now, for us to be sure that okay, we might get a breakout above our resistance, which is $179 today, we might get a move like this. We have to consider things. We have to put things into consideration. The first is that we have to consider the fact that the Chinese and the US trade deal, it has not been concluded. The US and the UK trade deal, it has not been concluded. So we've not gotten a news on that. The news would have gotten it yesterday between the Chinese and the US government, but it was adjourned to today. So I think they are trying to regulate the market. They're trying not to make the market volatile. So, which is why I think we'll have to be very, very cautious while trading. And if you are in a very high leverage trade, I would advise each and every one of you to try as much as you can to de-risk yourself. If you're in a profit, de-risk yourself. Now, back to where we were. From the 4 hours time frame, we could notice something that we'll be getting higher highs right here and higher lows, right? So definitely within this range, we should be expecting moves like this. So just give me a second right here. Don't know if it is gonna be here. Not here. So I think this is meant to be here. Why this? If I should clone this, if I should clone this right here, if I clone this, put it right here. So now this is what we should definitely be watching out for. First, yes, I think I also like delete this because this is not important as we speak. This is not important here. Yeah. So now, so sorry about that. Now, we are getting a little bit of pullback because we couldn't break above this range, which is 179 or 180. We couldn't break above this range. Fine, we are pulling back. If we are pulling back, we shouldn't expect a fall below the $170. We shouldn't expect a fall below 172. Now, by me saying that, I mean that this area right here is the point of control on the 4 hours time frame. The 168 range is the point of control for Solana. So if Solana falls below this range right here, it means that Solana is about to start making higher lows and lower lows. So if that starts, it means it's going to be a continuation of lower lows and lower highs. So by what I mean, this is a higher low. Are you with me? This is a higher low. If we get a move like this all the way down here, we've started making a lower high and lower low. So we'll start making lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low. So once we start getting moves like this, we just know that it is time. It is time for, once we are able to go below our point of control, which is this level right here. If we are able to go below that, then I would say Solana is set to correct. And once Solana starts correcting, the first price target we should be watching out for is definitely 163.63 163.63 level. We should definitely be looking out for this area right here. Yes, we should definitely be watching out for. We should watch out for this area right here. And apart from this area, worst case scenario, I would say we might pull back to 154. Worst case scenario, 154. We might pull back to 154. Do I see us pulling down to 146? There's every possibility for us to pull back to 146. There is every possibility for us to do that. But for now, let's say we are definitely going to pull back to 154 as our major support, or just not even our major support, as our point of control. If we're able to break below this 163 range, then 154 becomes our point of control from the daily perspective. Because looking at Solana from the daily perspective, you could say that we've pumped for long. So if we should be looking for two areas we are going to be using for support, we are definitely using the main major 163, and for point of control we are definitely using 154. So be on the lookout for this price range right here. So that's all I have to say for Solana. Without wasting much of your time, subscribe, turn on post notification, like this video if you enjoy these videos, and share this video with your friends. Yes, thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. Peace out.